Let's do some meal prep. Okay, that's it, everybody. Meal prep done, food prep done. This is going to be my base for the week. This is old school bodybuilder stuff. This is what I used to eat back in the day. Many of you out there don't know that I used to compete in fitness competitions. Can you believe that? And this was a staple: broccoli, chicken, rice. It never needs to be boring. Moms, parents, if you're looking for something for the kids, that way they don't hound you every day, have a base ready in the fridge. You wouldn't believe it, but back in the day, I used to be able to go through this in a day without any issue. That's only 4 chicken breasts in there. And all that broccoli and about half that rice. If anyone's looking for a snack, they have a healthy option, a healthy recipe that's already ready and prepared. And then they can stick to the junk on those cheat days or cheat meals whenever they feel the craving come along. Give this easy recipe a try. This chicken recipe, it's loaded up with the 3 C's. I call it 3 cube. Coriander, cumin, cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and a bunch of pepper to add some heat. But the secret ingredient in here, I've added in pine nuts. Adds a nice little touch. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow so you can see more great, easy recipes. Oh, I almost went into most muscular, which at the time is not the case. I already know it's going to be great because it's one of my go-tos. Boom! I already feel old school side chest coming on. Oh, Ronnie Coleman! Ow. That hurts. I worked chest a little bit today, and my gosh. Whew. Okay, I need to stretch after that and go sit down. Whew. One little side chest and I'm done. My gosh. Oh.